In this video, I will show you how to get Cash App in Europe on your iPhone or Android device. So basically, I will be answering the question, does Cash App work internationally? If you are traveling or plan to travel, you can use Cash Card for international transactions in supported countries without fees. The Cash Card is supported in all countries except the following. And as you can see, there is a whole list of countries that do not allow the Cash Card. But what is very important is that other Cash App features, so basically the whole app, are unavailable outside of the US or the UK. So if you do not live in the US or the UK, you sadly cannot use Cash App. As you can see, this includes sending a P2P payment, adding funds and cashing out, which is basically the most important thing with a payment app. So to conclude, Cash App is not available in countries outside of the US and the UK. If you are in the US or the UK, you can pay in every country except for these. But sadly, if you live outside of the US or the UK, you cannot use said app. So I hope this answers your question. It is maybe not the result you've hoped for, but still, I hope you can subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.